Hello, I am Dr. Tasneem, a hypnotherapist with a doctorate in hypnosis therapy and parapsychology. This video is all about what hypnotherapy is because most people come into a hypnotherapy session with the idea that they have seen from televisions or stage shows that hypnosis will all be about where they will make me unconscious and make me dance like a monkey. But no, this is hypnotherapy. It's not a hypnosis show. So in hypnotherapy, what basically happens is that during the session, most people don't even feel like they're in a trance or anything has changed within them. But we tell people to go with whatever they will feel. Now, most people think that they will see a movie, but if your eyes are closed, you're not going to see a movie or pictures are not going to flash because people often have emotional minds, so they're not able to see things. But go with the feelings that come to you. Go with the very first thoughts that come to you at the time that the hypnotherapist asks you a particular question. If they ask you to imagine something, please do imagine it. If you can't, then tell them that I am not able to imagine this and this is what I feel. And whatever the answers are, sometimes they come in forms of memories that you remember. They come in the form of a book you read or even a movie scene you might remember at that moment. Or it would be something absolutely abstract or weird. It doesn't matter what it is. Go with whatever you feel at that moment or whatever the thought is without thinking too much about it. Because the very first thought that comes would be what is coming from your subconscious. So go with the therapist. It's only going to help you. You are already in the session. The therapist is doing their best to help you out. So go with them. Follow the instructions and whatever you feel first, whatever is the first thought that comes, don't think, oh my god, is this connected? Don't think, oh my god, is this connected? Oh, this is so abstract, this is so illogical, how is this possible? The therapist is not there to judge you. The therapist is there to help you. So no matter what it is, because you have to understand, the subconscious talks a different language from the conscious. So it will give you the answers in a way that you can consciously understand and find your own answers. Also, you must understand, it is very, very important to understand this part, that you are in that session not for the hypnotherapist to give you an answer, but for you to seek your own answers. For example, let me give you an example of a case, real life case, where you have a client with a very bad relationship with her father. Now this lady has grown up thinking that all her life her father wanted a male child and she's a female, that's why he doesn't like her, he hates her. And this is what has been told to her all her life. Now when she goes back and regresses, she finds herself being born, and while being born, she suddenly realizes at that moment that her father is nowhere around. And it's her mother who's disappointed that she's a girl child. This realization in itself was enough. So the answers are yourself. You need to find out your answers. The minute she realizes, she comes back in the next 3 months and says, I don't know what changed where, I don't know who made the first move, but today I have the best relationship with my father. And she regrets all the time that they both spent in hating each other. Or at least her perception that he hates me, whereas actually he loves her a lot, but he wasn't able to communicate that to her. So this is how you get it. For example, another client, she had a tremendous pain in her leg, underwent surgery went well, everything is fine. Now for years she's on painkillers have stopped helping, and in spite of that, the pain is still there, it's severe. They have taken MRI, they've taken X-ray, they've done everything, but there's nothing wrong. She can't understand. Now in her case, she regresses to a past life where she's a princess, and while climbing down the staircase to go to a festival, she falls. And when she falls, she has the same burning pain in her leg. And then she comes back and they take her to the kingdom and her palace and they treat her and everything. The realization of the fact that there was an unfulfilled love story, and the fall signifying because the person that she loved wasn't able to come to her or reach her because she was a princess and he was a common citizen. So this trauma which got associated, the minute she realized it, that this comes from that life and that life is over, this life, instantly her pain was on. And ever since that day, she has not taken a single painkiller. The confidence that she had lost the sweating, the anxiety that she used to have is all completely gone now. So this is what hypnotherapy is all about. It's your own journey. It's your own healing journey. So please, whenever you go into a session, don't wait for somebody to give you the answers. Try and see if you can get your own answers, because it's your own journey. Yes, the therapist is there to guide you. Yes, the therapist will take you where they feel this is where the problem is. But ultimately, it is you who needs to understand what happened, why did it happen, where did it happen. So they will help you understand this. But the answers have to come from you, because if they tell you, oh, this happened and that is why this is what is happening, it's not coming from your subconscious. It's not going to help you as much and as fast as if you can realize it yourself. Oh my God, this is what happened. For example, another example, in a case where there is a very turbulent relationship between a couple. Now, one of them regresses into a past life and realizes that they're both friends, they're having a good business. But then one of them cheats the other and takes away everything. In that moment of anger and frustration, the friend who lost everything curses the other friend that one day you will lose everything and you will know how I feel. Now come back to this life, turbulent relationship, the spouse is not able to find work, the other spouse is getting work, but it's a very turbulent relationship because the spouse doesn't have work and is frustrated and the anger comes out into the family. The minute that realization is over there, oh my God, I have cursed, this is what I have done, this is why this is happening, then it's easy to reverse the curse and come back now, happily married, 2 children, doing absolutely brilliant. Both of them are working very well, flourishing very happily. So these are just simple examples. There are many, many more examples which I will be putting in my other videos. But this is how hypnotherapy works. So please make the best of your session. This is the only reason I'm making this video, so that you understand what hypnotherapy is all about. Make sure you come prepared. Make sure you come in a time and space where you're absolutely free, so that you can give yourself that time. This is your me time. Make the best of it and make the best out of each session. Good luck. Happy healing.